Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 920. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 920 won't hold a charge, you're likely experiencing a common issue with its battery. Over time, batteries can degrade due to various factors such as repeated charging cycles and age. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to further complications, such as your device shutting down unexpectedly or even failing to turn on altogether. To fix this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and a replacement battery compatible with the Lenovo Yoga 920. First, ensure that your device is powered off completely and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover using the plastic opening tool. Gently slide it around the edges to loosen the clips, being cautious not to damage the casing. Once the cover is off, locate the battery. It is the large rectangular component typically situated in the center of the device. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. To remove the battery, unscrew the screws holding it in place, which are usually Phillips screws. Take care to remember the locations of these screws as you will need to replace them later. When lifting the battery out, be gentle to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are securely attached. Once everything is in place, screw the battery down firmly but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the new battery. Finally, replace the back cover by pressing it down until you hear the clips click back into place. Turn on your Lenovo Yoga 920 to ensure that it powers up and is charging correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis, and try to keep your device updated with the latest software, as this can optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.